ng Katipunan. Ayan po. Napakaganda. Hindi po, pagka may chance ako, binabalik-balikan ko po itong kapiranggot o kapiraso ng Berlin Wall. So, sabi po dito, the segment of the Berlin Wall was donated to the city of Manila by the city of Berlin on 27 November 2014 to mark the vanquished division of Berlin, Germany, and Europe. It honors the strong bond of friendship between the German and the Philippine people and serves as a reminder of our shared democratic values rooted in history and beyond. On this day of 5 October 2020, at the Bonifacio Shrine in the city of Manila, witnessed by H.E. Anke Refenstuel, Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Federal Republic of Germany in the Philippines, and Honorable Francisco Moreno Domagoso. Si Mayor Esco pala yan. Si Yorme, Mayor of the City of Manila. Look at the Berlin Wall. Just a small segment of the Berlin Wall, which has fallen, of course. Okay, because the leaders decided not to anymore. Ayan, the German version, which I do not understand. And here is the English version. Yan palang Berlin Wall. Kabilaan yan. So the place of the Berlin Wall, originally located at the Post Damerplatz, Berlin, was donated to the city of Berlin by Sony Berlin. For almost 3 decades, from August 13, 1961 until November 9, 1989, East and West Berlin were divided by an almost insurmountable wall. Not only did it divide families and friends, it also brought much pain and suffering to the city and its inhabitants. More than 130 people lost their lives when attempting to cross the wall to flee from east to west. Many more were caught and sent to prison for several years. The Berlin Wall fell in November of 1989. The joy which accompanied the opening of the inner German border generated a feeling of euphoria that resonates to this day. Today, there are only a few original relics left. This is one of them. Original yan. Ay, salamat. Binigyan tayo. Ibig sabihin, wag na tayo maging slaves of, yes, unfreedom. Dapat wala ng mga unfreedoms, no? Laging free tayo. Yan, salamat naman. And they're finally free. So, democracy ang kailangan natin. Democratic. Sa likod naman yan ay sa martial law o batas militar. Yon ang mga pangalan ng mga taong libu-libong makabayang Pilipino na kumilos, kinulong at pinahirapan sa ilalim ng batas militar. Ayan po si Andres Bonifacio, yung ating hero.